Little storyteller.
Percy the Penguin waddled excitedly towards a brand new ice slide. It was super tall and swirly, made of the shiniest blue ice. Percy had fluffy black and white feathers and bright orange feet. His job was the best job in all of snowy Antarctica. He was a professional ice slide tester. His friend Pip the polar bear cub watched from the bottom. Pip had soft white fur and a little black nose that wiggled when he was happy. "Ready, Percy," he called, his voice a happy squeak. Percy took a deep breath and zoomed down the slide. Whoosh! The wind tickled his feathers. He went round and round the swirly parts, giggling all the way. At the bottom there was a little pool of sparkling blue water. Splash! Percy landed with a happy plop. Water droplets flew everywhere like tiny diamonds. Pip clapped his paws. "That looked like fun, Percy," he said. "Was it fast?" "The fastest," Percy exclaimed, shaking the water off his feathers. "And the splash was super bubbly." He made a note on his clipboard with a bright blue crayon. Then a little Arctic fox with soft white fur and pointy ears came hopping over. Her name was Freya. "Can I try the slide too, Percy?" she asked, her tail wagging gently. "Of course, Freya," Percy smiled. "It's super fun." Freya giggled and climbed up the snowy steps to the top of the slide. Whoosh! She slid down, her white fur shimmering in the sun, and landed in the water with a tiny splash. Percy, Pip, and Freya all played on the ice slide together. They took turns going super fast and making big splash. Playing together made the slide even more fun. Did you know that penguins use their wings to help them balance when they swim, just like arms?
Please subscribe. Thank you.